In certain countries, Samsung is no longer pre-installing its own text messaging app on their smartphones, and instead, they've opted for using Google Messages. And they're doing this because it's easier to get RCS working across those specific carriers. But not everyone cares about RCS, and others have found a way to enable it with their specific carrier. So, in today's video, I want to show Samsung Galaxy owners how to get the Samsung Messages app installed and set up as the default texting app for your device. If you already have Samsung Messages installed on your phone, then you can skip to the next section of this guide. But for everyone else, this means you purchased your Samsung Galaxy device, and when looking through the apps, you noticed that it was not available in your application drawer. So if you are unable to find it on your current Samsung phone, then you'll want to open up the Galaxy Store. This will require you to log in to your Samsung account, but once you do, you'll gain access to a page like this, where you can search for the word Samsung Messages, and you'll see this app appear in the results. You'll also notice this is from Samsung themselves, so you just want to download this to your device like you would through any other app store. After you have installed Samsung Messages on your phone, the only thing left to do is assign this application as your default SMS Messages app. And the quickest way to do this is to first launch the Settings application. Then we're going to tap on the search box, and we search for the word default. In the results, you'll see something labeled Choose Default Apps. So we tap on that, and it's going to be up here at the top where we get to choose the default applications on our device. And in this list, you're going to see SMS app as an option. So this is going to be your texting app. And again, by default, it's set to Google Messages. But now that we have Samsung Messages installed, you'll see this appear in the list. And all you have to do is change this over so that it's using the Samsung Messages app icon that you see there. And that's all there is to it. Now, when you get text messages sent to you, they will appear in the Samsung Messages app instead of the Google Messages app. And when you want to text someone, again, you open the Samsung Messages app. You can even go as far as to disable or perhaps uninstall the Google Messages app once you're done with it. Now, if you ran into any issues following this guide, please feel free to use the comment section down below to let me know. I've just got to ask that you consider giving this video a like, as that really helps to keep me motivated here. And share this video on your favorite social media platform too, because that can really go a long way to helping this channel to grow.